So hello guys and welcome back to the channel. Today I'm going to show you how to rotate video in CapCut. So the first thing you want to do is open up CapCut. On there, log into your account. From there you will see a layout very similar to this one, and you will see here create new. Click on that. On there you can see video, image, and magic tools. Since we're talking about video, we will go to video. It doesn't really matter which you choose from these ones. From here, click on one of those. It's going to take you to this editor page. On here, you will see something similar to this. You can upload your own media and video. So if you click on this, and I just put down this video as an example, you will need to click on the video itself. So on here, you can see it's looking like this. If you go, you can see the settings at the bottom. You can see some setup at the top part of the page as well. You can also click the basic. Click the basic on the right side. From here you can see reduce image noise, remove flicker, transform, position, and you can see the option that says here rotate. Now you can do it with this circle next to it, so you can choose where it's going to be rotated. So you can see it's going to be, if I click on this, it's going to rotate it by 113 degrees. So if I click on this, it's minus 17, minus 174. But don't worry, if you wish to toggle it just a bit, you can just do this and you can see it's switching up. You can also go ahead and click on this and rotate like so. If you wish to do something else, you can just go ahead and type in here. So let's say I want 100 degrees. I type it like that, it's going to change as well. If you found this information helpful or useful, you can like the video. You can also share the video. You can subscribe to the channel and click the notification bell to get notified about new videos on CapCut or some other topics you might find interesting as well. Thank you very much for watching this video, and as always, I will see you guys in the next one. Goodbye.